Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 2 Round Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. So if your watch is unresponsive and you can do with it anything, basically you can do anything with it, you can try to force restart it. And to do it, you need to press and hold the lower button, and you need to keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. So keep holding the button. I believe it takes about 10 or maybe 15 seconds. And once you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.